Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create your website on Wix for indoor plant care business, easy and quick. So first of all, let's type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first of all, let's create a new site. Now build with the Wix editor. Now enter your business type. So for example, let's choose this. Now enter your store name, type any name you want. Do you already have an online store? Choose if you already have or not. What would you like to sell? Physical product, dropshipping products and services, and digital products. Where would you like to sell? My mobile app and online store and marketplaces and social media. So continue to dashboard. So design your site from here. How would you like to design your website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. So let's get started. Now here enter your informations, your name, your business name, your email, your address, and your phone. And here if you wanna add social link, or if you wanna add your logo. So let's continue. Pick a theme you like. Pick your favorite homepage design. Now if you wanna add page to your site. Now your site is up and running, so if you want to edit more your site, click here, go to editor. So this is your homepage website, and this is the settings of the homepage. You can add elements here. So the first element here is the text element. You can select any shape or any form of text you like, the titles or the paragraphs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image. If you want to upload or import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustrations, here we find the buttons elements, the themed buttons, text and icon buttons, and the icon buttons, the image buttons, the documents buttons, and the iTunes button. And here we find the payments buttons. You have to add some payments buttons on your home page, so just select any one of these and you can add that on your home page at any place you want. Now let's move on to the strip. Here you find classic, featured, about, services, contact and welcome, and testimonials and team. Select any one of these and you can add it on your home page at any place you want. Now let's move on to the decorative. You find here the same lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines, vertical lines, and here we find the vector add, featured, icons, animals and nature, logos and badges, and the characters. And the last here is the video elements, the video box, video mask, and transparent video. Now let's move on to the boxes. Here you find the themed boxes. Here you have the your boxes, and here the themed boxes, the container boxes, and the hover boxes, and the tabs. Also here we find the galleries, if you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you want to add pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you want to show more galleries. So that's it. Now let's move on to the menus and anchor. Here if you want to edit the themed menus, if you want to add some horizontal menus and vertical menus, and here you find the in-page navigation if you want to add anchor and in-page menu. And the last here is the site search. So that's it. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here you have all the forms you have to add on your homepage: the contact forms, the order, registration, donation, application, feedback, request, waiver forms, subscribe forms. So you can select any one of these and add it on your homepage. Now let's move on to the Google Maps. Here you find the normal maps and the full width maps. Here you find the shot, the Wix shot, and the line button. Now let's move on to the video and music elements. Here you find the video elements, the single video players, Wix video, video box, video mask, and transparent video. Here we find the music elements, the audio players, Wix music and SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the interactive. Here we find the slideshows, the full width slideshows or the box slideshows, and here we find the light boxes, and here we find the boxes, the hover boxes, and the tabs. Here we find the repeaters, the hover repeaters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the list. Here we find the hover repeaters and the blank repeaters. Here we find the embed code elements if you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to add some single video players, if you want to edit your audio elements, and here if you want to edit your advanced elements, here if you want to edit your animation elements. So that's it. Here the social bar. If you want to edit your social bar, select any social bar of these. Here if you want to add Facebook link or Twitter link or Pinterest link or VK or line link or YouTube, if you want to add your YouTube channel link. So that's it. Now let's move on to the payments. Here you find the payments buttons, and here the payments forms and the pricing plans and the store. So that's it. Now let's move on to CMS. Here if you want to easily manage your site content, if you want to share your expertise and engage with your audience, if you want to edit the store elements or the bookings elements or the related elements or the pricing plans, and here find the events if you want to create and manage events. Here the community and your design. So that's it. If you want to add section, click here, select any section from these you want to add on your home page. Now let's move on to the pages and the menus. So here if, you have to you can add page here. So this is the site menu. So that's it. Now let's move on to the site design. If you want to design your site or customize your site design, you can edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. If you want to add apps, if you want to manage your business, here if you want to upload your media, if you want to edit images and videos, if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos, here if you want to use CMS and easily manage your site content, and here if you wanna manage your Google ads or Facebook ads or SEO or marketing, social media marketing or marketing integrations. Now after you're done from designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.